This is just a quick little doodle of what we're doing in the our page of Explore This TikTok brand. So I use is it the colour one? It's like a knockoff brand, and just to show you the quality of it, whether it's worth it. This is quite thick paper as well that I'm using, which is quite it's really nice, to be honest. It's quite spreads nicely, quite bold colours, so quite good, to be honest, so far at this point. But as you can see later on, it starts to I don't know if it's the paper, but it starts to get absorbed more. It's like I'm running out of ink quite quickly. This is a small doodle. It's not like it's on A4 paper. It's not that thick. Large. I mean, the concern I do have is probably because the paper's so thick. That's the reason why it's not particularly great. But it does start to run out of ink here. It's quite a bit of a... But again, I did have fun colouring it in. It was quite fun to do. But again, in this part, it just started to run really low on the ink. And that's the one concern I have. It's great, but it already started to run out, which is not what you want, especially on such a small doodle on the A4. Again, the quality is great, but it ran out so quick. That's the only issue I have with this brand, is the ink really runs out. Not very great. But next bit, again, when you start off with a new colour, it's nice, it's perfect, as you can see, and then again it just starts to lose its the amount of ink. It's quite short inked, but it's still good for like beginners, for kids, I would say. But yeah, I do find drawing with this is quite sensory, and it's quite fun. I mean, also the lapping of colours quite go well. It did dry out a bit faded, but you could probably go over there a few more times to highlight the colours. Obviously you can. But no, I really enjoyed it. It's a decent thing to get. Maybe get one, like a different brand with more ink on it, but it is quite good. And again, I'm using it going in now with my Prism colour pencils, just to add a little bit of depth to it. But it's just a simple little doodle tutorial video using this brand on Temu. And would I use it again? For the money, it's worth it, but I'd rather just get the usual Picasso ones that I usually use, because it lasts longer. The ink is more... It did get absorbed quite bad, but again, I could use it on a different piece of paper, and it might actually be a different result. It might actually not become as so absorbent. But here's my little Pokemon doodle, one of my favourite Pokemons. And yeah, I hope you liked the video.